Here we are at Dollar General. Let's see what they have. So we're starting out over here with the curtains, guys. So these are energy saving. They're called Livingston. They're from Comfort Bay. Those guys are $12. Here are the dominoes, $12. I'm just going to scan those for you. Okay. These are 10 as a matter of fact. These are energy saving blackout Melrose, $10, and the barley are also $10. These are domino, those are 12. I like how they have names on them. This is Quincy, those are 12. Domino, Livingston, 14. Montgomery, 14. I love that. And here's Worthington. So here is a 5-piece set, guys. I don't know if you could see that. So it comes with the tie backs, and those don't have a price. Let me see if there's a price on the actual carton. No, there isn't. Then you have these paper shades. Guys, I thought these paper shades were pretty cool. They're by True Living, and they're pretty long. I gotta try those, guys. So here you have another 5-piece set for $12. These are Rivieras, and here are the decorative rods. So they have this kind for $13, this kind for $8, this kind right here for $10. Then they have these spring tension rods. Those are $3, and then the O'Hara. These are sheer white. Those are $2. Oh wow, that's a nice price. Probably isn't, guys. I'm sorry. It's a new item and it's 10. It's in the wrong spot. These are called Teddy. These are blackout ones. Here is one for 10. Okay, then you have the all black ones, but these are kitchen curtains, I think. The Tier and Valance set. And then here's another Tier and Valance set. I'm loving that color, gray. And then these. Okay, I showed you those. Then you have some more along the bottom. This is a new item right here. This is $10. Here's this basket, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm loving the leather handles. And it looks like those are $4. Then these are your collapsible bins, the black. I'm loving this one. Those are $4.50, guys. And then you have that style right there. Then here you have some baskets, and these small table baskets are $2. So they come in that design, and this one, and then they have this one. I like that color, guys. So here are the baskets I was talking to you about. So I think some are 12 and some are 10. These are collapsible bins right here too, guys. And they say things on them like that one says stuff. And they're beige. I love that. And these say things. And this is really nice too, because I'm loving that handle, guys. Okay. And then here are the gray ones. So here we have some more collapsible in this design. So that must go up here. Let me just place that down. So here's the cube organizer. So I'm not sure how much that is, but here is the ladder bookcase. I might have shown this before, but this is $22. Then you have the 3-cube organizer. That is $16. And the 2-cube organizer, I think that's $16 also. 24 pocket shoe organizer up on the top, but I don't know how much that is, guys. Then over here we have some books. So these books here are all $2, and I can't reach up there to see, but they're different kind. And over here, these are adult coloring books in here. Well, the ones to the back. Okay, and then they just have some random books. Some kids' books. This one has over 400 stickers, the princess. And there's the food babe. And you have some more over here. Like this one here is Star Wars. Okay, then you have some sticker books over here. So these are all random things. And look at this. So this is the Star Wars, The Force Awakens book and magnetic play set, $5. That's pretty cool. So here's some coloring books, guys. Here's a play pack. Let me see. I think this is an adult coloring book for $3. Mason Dixon knitting, $3. Those are really nice. And then this one here, masterpieces. This is Ninja Turtles for $2. That's what they have along here, guys. So here you have the lavender chamomile for $5, the mahogany teak wood, the eucalyptus breeze. Those guys are $5. Then you have the True Living Fresh Linen for $5, and the vanilla sugar for $5. And here you have some more. So I'll just scan that for you guys. This is Fresh Linen. This is Twilight Forest. Oh, look at this pink one. Let's see what that is. Mahogany Gardens, and that's Apple Cinnamon. So then you have these. These are called Fresh Works. That's Grapefruit Mint. Those are $5. And then these over here, guys. Look how pretty these are. I'm loving these. Cashmere Blanket. Confetti Cupcake. These are all $5. And then, oh look, I'm loving this marble. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Okay. Marble Sands. Then over there you have like a buffalo check in gray. I didn't read the scent to that one. So you have this design and then this design right here. I think that's, what does that say? Scented Garden. Then these, I don't think I saw these the last time. This is called Scented Driftwood and Stolen Hoodie, $5. Here you have some white candles. And here you have your tea light for $1. And here you have the double pack for $1. Okay, don't flip out. $10. I love those wired baskets there. Those are $4. These are $6. Then these frames over here are $3, and the bigger one back there is $4. So this one here, this is really cute. I'm liking that color and the texture. That's $2.50, and I'm loving these guys. Aren't they gorgeous? They're $4. And there it is in Robin Blue. And here's the smaller size in $2.50. And here's another one for $5. Then you have this silver one for $2. This one's $2.50. I like the texture to this one. That's $3. Okay, so I'm just gonna scan these for you. And then let's look at these canvases on the bottom. I think I might have shown this to you before. So each one of these guys is $10. The different scenes. So you have that one. This one. Then you have that one over there. It says Dream, Hope, Believe. Then you have some more of these. These are pretty cool, but they're $10. I don't know if that's a good price for that. But here, look at this. So this is $10, a double canvas with 2 cows. I like it. I think that's really farmhouse. This must be canvas up there with the cows. Let's see what we have. So we have, this is really nice. I like this one. I saw it the last time I was here. Okay, life is what you make it. And that one is $3. So, let's see. Oh, the wheel. Okay, so this one here, guys. That one is $8. Then you have these enamel wall hangings. These are $5. So then you have the Believe Cross for $7. Then you have that one here, Let Your Light Shine for $6. Grace, God, and Gratitude. Bless all who enter here. Those are all $6. Those are all $6, guys. And then this one here is $7. Then you have the Born to Sparkle. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all that. I love this one. And that one says, God bless our family. Those are $6. Then these with the marble, but this is the only initial I would have bought this. That's $5 with the marble, the foam marble background, and then you have the floss. Okay, so this one here, look at the roses, the burlap roses, $6. Then the cross that says Grace for $7. Then that one says wash your hands. I like these. Then that one says welcome for 6. This one here is 8. Always see the beauty. And this one says enjoy the little things. That's 8. This one says born to sparkle. I love these. That one says friends and family gather here. Isn't that nice? This one is new. I don't see a price on this one. I like that one. Then you have that one in the back. That one is 6. And this one here is 5. Then you have this one. It says Amazing Grace. Isn't that wonderful? Then you have a double or a 3-piece canvas set. That's what it looks like. And these are $10. So it looks like the cow sold out. Let me see if the cow is behind there. I love the cow one. Nope, the cow. Oh, there she is. Well, the colorful one sold. And this is the barn. That one's $8. I think the colorful one sold. Okay, so these are kitchen towels. These are kitchen towels. I like these. So this is each. So I'm not sure how much that is, but these are really pretty, aren't they? And you have these kitchen towels. Okay, this is the Copper Chef for how much is that? I don't know. It says 10-inch, but I don't see the price. Then you have this Sunblast solar power. Okay, this is $20. This here, guys, this tap light is 10. Let me go around. Then that screen top shelf, 10. So let's see what they have on this side. They have a whole bunch of these. Oh, look at that one, the Lucky Leash. Retractable leash and collar. That's $20. Okay, and then this one here. I don't know how much that is. It doesn't have a price. I think it's $10. Then they have a whole bunch of these movies. So I'll just scan that for you. Now look at that, Garth Brooks, $12.95. Furious is $5. So they're all different prices. The Tourist with Angelina Jolie. Here's Spider-Man. Sorry about the noise, guys. Okay. So this is what we have. They have a whole bunch of movies, guys. Here's some bestsellers over here. These are $4.95. The trash bags and the air fresheners, the dishwashing, the laundry detergent, the Clorox, the hooks. It's pretty nice, small dollar section. Here's the Ajax and the Gain. Okay, and then a little small area over here of the dog stuff. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to check out some of their home decor and their little dollar section. I will see you in the next video.